Concept of electric field: the field around the charge or a charged body which another charge experiences an electrostatic force is called electric field of that charge. Intensity of electric field: the intensity of electric field at a point is the force experienced by unit positive charge placed at that point. It is given by electric field E vector is equal to force vector upon Q. Unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. It is a vector quantity. Intensity of electric field is also known as simply electric field. Force on a charged particle in an electric field. So we are talking about the force on a charged particle in an electric field. So if electric field intensity E at a point in an electric field be known, then we can determine the force F acting on a charge Q placed at that point by the following equation: F is equal to QE. Another SI unit of electric field is volt per meter. If we are talking about dimensions of electric field intensity, if it is a vector quantity having dimensions, E is equal to F by Q. So dimensions of force is mlt minus 2 and dimensions of charge is at. So the electric field dimension is mlt की power minus 3 a की power minus 1. Electric field intensity due to a point charge. It is a derivation for electric field intensity due to a point charge. So if we taken a positive charge Q and if we find the electric field at a point P at a distance r, then according to Coulomb's law, force is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q naught by r square. Electric field E is equal to F upon Q naught by the formula E is equal to force upon Q. So F 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 Q1 Q naught r by r square upon field E is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q naught by r square into 1 upon Q naught. So the electric field formula is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square and the unit is Newton per Coulomb. And we are taking vector form. So electric field 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K into Q by r square. Electric field vector is Q by r square into unit vector and the unit vector is equal to the vector upon magnitude is known as unit vector. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q by r cube into r vector. E is equal to K by Q by r square in vacuum or in air. So E is directly proportional to Q and inversely proportional to the 1 by r square. So if we are taking and solving for numerical, so E1 upon E2 is equal to Q1 upon Q2 and E1 upon E2 is equal to R2 upon R1 का whole square. If we are E is inversely proportional to 1 upon K, so E1 upon E2 is equal to K2 upon K1.